Sir Ismail sir, can we start sir? Can I just introduce about yourself?
Yes, sir.
So my dear friends, sir, let me tell you something, sir. This is something voluntary. We are not insisting students to join compulsory and all, sir. It is very much voluntary, and
Yes,
it
sir.
is
That's good.
only for the Department of Computer Science students. And here we have only second year and third year. Third year and final year students, not second year. Only
Okay,
third
sir.
year and final year students are there, and those who are interested only we have asked them to join. It is not like I have pushed everybody also. So this is first point. And my dear students, today our guest or expert, he is Mr. Ismail, and I am very proud to introduce to you all that he was one among us, like he was one among faculty members among Sri Vidya Niketan educational institutions, and I know him very well for the past 5 years. And he was with me working in the Department of Computer Science and Systems Engineering, where I was the HOD previously. And I would like to tell some important points about him. Okay, so he is one such a person who has been writing GATE every year. He doesn't miss it out, and he fairly scores more than 93 plus. I'm not introducing more about him. This is very very less, and he is one among the faculty who has cleared all the qualifying examinations like AP set. AP set, right, sir? Some
Yes, sir.
exam you write very often. Yes.
Yes. AP set,
Yeah,
UGC net.
UGC net, I have to mention, it is very tough exam, and he writes it every year and he clears it. And the most interesting point is like he always takes up online quiz and online exam daily. It is not one day or other. He daily takes up one quiz or other, and he is one student who is learning daily. So this is what I want to stress here. Okay, so he is still a student, I believe. He is still doing something good, and he daily answers 40 to 50 multiple choice questions or whatsoever in his own subjects of interest. But one thing is like he is almost good at many subjects in computer science engineering, and he will today discuss like how to crack the GATE exam, how to do a preliminary study of subjects, so how it will be useful to you. That is what is his point of discussion today. So hope he will take it up, and he will do the best of his kind. Okay. So this is up to me, sir. Thank you. Ismail sir, please start, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Dear
Thank you for
students,
accepting. Thank you for accepting this. I told I last. Okay. Thank you for accepting. Thank you.
welcome, sir. Dear students, I am Ismail, working as lecturer in Computer Science Department, PVK in Government College, Autonomous, Chittoor. I worked for 3 years in Sri Vidya Niketan Engineering College under the uh, our Narendra Kumar Rao sir, head of the department at that time. And after that, I wrote APPSC exam to select for this government degree lecturer post in computer science department, and I came here. And I currently working in the computer science department as in charge of the department. I will give a few tips about how to write competitive exams, especially in this computer science department. I used to write many exams soon after the completion of my BTech. Right. Let me share my content here. Okay, students, I will share my experience of writing competitive exams. I have written many exams like Group 1, Group 2, Group 4, Polytechnic Lecturers exam, Degree Lecturers exam, and Kendriya Vidyalaya staff exam. And I have written 3 times this GATE exam, and also UGC net for 6 times, AP set for 1 time. So these many times I used to write competitive exams. Why? Because I love giving the test. So it will improve our positive thinking, our confidence. So I have completed my BTech in 2011. At that year only, I have given this GATE exam and I cleared it without any preparation. Because, you know, if you prepare well in the semester exams, if you gain basic knowledge on each and every subject, you will have a better knowledge on computer science subjects and you can give the exam without any preparation, you can pass the exam. That is my opinion. And I didn't get this success soon after the completion of my BTech or completion of my education. I used to work hard each and every year. I used to improve myself. I used to practice more and more on these computer science subjects using various platforms. You know, these days you have many opportunities. You can learn from the web. You can watch YouTube videos. See, you can gain more and more knowledge uh, using the internet. So 2011, I passed the exam without any preparation. But for 2012 GATE exam, there is much preparation from my side. I scored very well in the 2012 GATE exam. 448 is my GATE score. And then I again don't want to join in MTech, so I went for job searching and I didn't get any opportunity to enter into software industry. So then again I wrote this 2013 GATE exam, which is the very very important one. Why? Because you people are going to attempt this GATE 2021 exam under IIT Bombay. You know, IIT Bombay. This year, 2021 GATE will be conducted by IIT Bombay. So that 2013 is also conducted by IIT Bombay. How to prepare for any competitive exam? How to prepare for any competitive exam? First of all, if you see, for any competitive exam, there is a limit to up to what type of questions, how much difficulty level will be there, that kind of analysis need to be done if you are going to write any competitive exam. So for this GATE 2021 exam, I want you to analyze the previous GATE papers which were conducted by IIT Bombay especially, right? You will get some idea on that if you analyze that papers, what kind of questions are there, how these subjects are divided, how much weightage is given to different subjects. You will get this kind of analysis. So that is the first point. We need to analyze the exam pattern and the way the questions are asked. So see here, exam dates for this GATE 2021 were declared as February 2021, 5th to 7th and 12th to 14th. 3 hours exam will be there, forenoon and afternoon session. It is entirely computer based test. Syllabus is revised. You please check in the official website gate.iitb.ac.in. Sections are common, general aptitude plus subject related questions will be there. And here this year you get multiple select questions. So multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, numerical answer type questions. So for 1 mark question you will have 1 by 3 as negative marking. For 2 marks question you will have 2 by 3 as the negative marking. For numerical answer type questions you don't have any negative marking, so you can attempt all numerical answer type questions. See, while writing multiple select questions, multiple select type questions, you need to be very careful. You need to select all the correct answers. Most of the students fail to guess which is multiple choice question, which is multiple select questions. So that is the case here. And questions to test. So generally, this GATE exam is considered to be the toughest exam in India compared to ISRO scientist exam. This GATE exam is considered to be the toughest exam. So the questions to test, recall type questions. Recall type questions in the sense you will have direct questions. So direct question, you will have direct answer. No need to work out on that question. Comprehension type questions, application type questions, analysis and synthesis type questions. See, you you have application type of questions mostly in this GATE exam. So you need to apply the knowledge that you learn from the subject in order to answer these kind of questions. So you'll have 15 marks for general aptitude and reasoning. Engineering mathematics will be for 13 marks, and subject, our computer science subjects, will be for 72 marks. See, in each slide I used to mention IIT Bombay because all of you need to work on that. How IIT Bombay GATE papers will be there, and how much tough to attempt all the IIT Bombay GATE papers. So application dates are 14th September to 13th September, and you will have some grace period also. With fine you can apply for the exam. So better apply in this time period, 14th September to 30th September. So here comes the main part. While I am preparing for the GATE exam, I used to prepare from my favorite subject, operating system, digital logic design, C programming, data structures. You don't think I am reading out all the subjects. These all are my favorite subjects. See, discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics is also my favorite subject. C programming, data structures, but algorithms uh, I don't use most of my time on algorithms because I used to work on operating systems more, and then digital logic design, theory of computation. This is the one of the favorite subject for many of CSE students. Compiler design is also one of the favorite subjects for many computer science students. And computer networks. Computer networks is little bit difficult, but you can focus on a few topics like IP addressing, routing algorithms, like that, to score in those areas. So general aptitude is for 15 marks. See, you start preparing from this order. See, discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics, you get 14 to 18 marks. You can score 14 to 18 marks in this one, right? So you start preparing from discrete mathematics. It will give you positive energy, so get a you can get some idea that you can score more using this subject. So discrete mathematics, it will help you to score more. C programming, generally you get 6 to 8 marks only from the C programming type of questions, right? And see, data structures you get 3 to 4 marks only, but you have little only a few topics from data structures. You better go through the syllabus first. Whatever the competitive exam, what a student need to do, you need to go through the syllabus first. Don't blindly prepare entire subject. You just prepare the topics which were covered in the syllabus only. That is the basic thing. It will save the time also, right? And operating systems, this is the favorite subject for myself. See, you get 6 to 10 marks from operating system. Usually you get questions from some topics like Gantt charts and deadlocks. You'll get questions from these topics usually. And digital logic, this is considered to be easiest subject for me. Actually, I taught this subject in for computer science and systems engineering students also. So this subject is like the mathematics. How you do mathematics kind of thing will be here in this digital logic design. So you can score up to 8 marks from this subject. So you can see here I have given coloring to subjects, right? You prepare in this order and combiningly you can prepare like this. So C programming, data structures, algorithms, you combinedly prepare these subjects at one time, and operating systems, digital logic and computer architecture, you combinedly prepare these subjects at another time, right? And theory of computation, compiler design. So there is some relation between these subjects. So you better prepare in this order. I also used to prepare in this order only because of that I have given this. And whenever you prepare, you try to write down notes. That's what as a student we need to do. We need to write down notes for each and every topic that we prepare from that particular subject. That will help us to quickly revise while going to exam. For better understanding, what a student need to do is he need to prepare from first concept to last concept while giving to his semester end exam. So that will help you to understand which topic is easy, which topic is tough, difficult, like that. So you better understand which one is very easy for you and which one gives you the positive energy and which one makes you to feel better, so that you can think like, yes, I can attempt this question, I can score if the question comes from this particular topic. So that kind of positive energy is needed. See, and databases and computer networks, from this you get 12 to 18 marks. So computer networks, especially you get questions from routing algorithms and IP addressing classes. That kind of questions will be there. So these are the various subjects that are covered in the GATE 2021 syllabus. You better see the syllabus, entire syllabus. You better note down each and every topic from these subjects, and you follow the syllabus carefully and you prepare all the concepts. And for clearing the exam, it is not required to go through all the subjects. It is just required half of the subjects are enough, like discrete mathematics, C programming, operating systems, digital logic, theory of computation, and databases or computer networks. These subjects are enough to clear the exam. You can easily clear the exam